Good morning, class 8. Today we are going to start exercise 3.2 of chapter number 3, squares and square root. Okay, so question number 1 says we have to write 5 numbers that are not square numbers. So as you all know, any number which end with 2, 3, 7 or 8 in its unit place is not a perfect square. So you can write any 5 numbers that have these numbers at its unit place. So you can write 1, 1, 1, 3, 7, 2, 5, 6, 3, 9, 7, 8, 1, 2, 8, 2. These are some square numbers. These are not perfect squares. Now 951. In question number 2, you have to write why they are not perfect squares. Okay, so here you can see in this question number 2, you have to say that what will be the unit digit of the square number of these numbers. So as you all know, 1 will be multiplied to 1 will give you 1, 2 2s are 4, 9 9s are 81, so it is ending with 1, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, so answer will be 6. Okay, you have to write just the unit digit number. Next question is question number 3. Here you have to write why these numbers are not perfect squares. So they are not perfect squares because these are ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zeros. As you can all see here, three zeros are there, so that's why it cannot be a perfect square. Okay, in question number 4, you have to say this will end with an odd number or an even number. The unit digit will be an odd number or even number. So as you all know, if the number is ending, as I have told all the properties to you, in the properties I have already told, like if it is ending with 3, so 3 is an odd number, so the square number will also end with odd number. If the number is ending with even number, so the square number will also end with even number. Okay, in question number 5, you have to find all the natural numbers lying between 12 and 13 squares. Okay, so 12 and 13 square, in between them how many natural numbers will be lying? That will be 2n. This also I have taught you in the property, you can see that. So 2n will be, this is n and this is n plus 1. So 2n will be 2 into 12, that is equals to 24. Okay, in question number 6, you have to write what will be the sum of this and what will be the square. So this sum will be, how many numbers are there, you just count it out. So if it is here, it is 15 numbers, you can count there 15. So 15 square will be 225. So the sum will be 225. Without adding, we can directly say it. If there are 4 numbers, we can say the answer will be 4 square, that is 16. So here the numbers are 15, so we'll do directly 15 square, that is equals to 225. This also I have taught you in the property. Then moving on to the next question. Question number 7 is 64. You have to find out, you have to write in the sum of odd numbers. So 64 is a square of 8, so we have to write 8 odd numbers. So 8 odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So that will be the odd numbers. When you add it, you can check, you'll get 64. Now in question number 8, you have to say 19 square, you have to represent in the form of 2 consecutive numbers. Okay, so for writing that, the formula is n square minus 1 by 2 and n square plus 1 by 2. You use the formula and we can find out how many numbers are there. So n square minus 1 by 2 means 19 square minus 1 by 2, 19 square plus 1 by 2. So solve it out. So we have got 361, so 361 minus 1 by 2, that is 660 by 2, and 362 by 2, so we have got 180 and 181. So when we'll add these 2 consecutive integers, we'll get 19 square. Okay, question number 9, 40. Here their number is given 45. We have to find out the square of 45 without calculating, without directly multiplying. So for finding it out, we can write 45 as 40 plus 5 whole square. Okay, so this can be written as n plus 100. So n into n plus 1 means the first number is 4. So we can write it as 4 into 5 multiply 100 plus 5 square at the end we have to do. So that will be, so 2 consecutive numbers again we have to take. So consecutive numbers are 4 and 5. So 4 5s are 20. 20 into 100 is 2000. 2000 plus 25, that is 2025. So you can check by multiplying also. 45 into 45 will give you 2025 only. So this is the formula for finding it easily without calculating directly. Then question number 10, here first number is given 8. You will have to find the Pythagorean triplet. We have to find the 2 more numbers. So the least number is given 8, So we'll write 2m is equals to 8. So from here m is equals to, we can find 8 by 2, that is equals to 4. So after we have found the value of m, we will just put in the equation m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. So m square means 4 square minus 1, so that will be 16 minus 1, that is 15, and m square plus 1, that will be 16 plus 1, that will be 17. So therefore the three Pythagorean triplets are 8, 15 and 17. This is your answer. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.